Why don't you take a look at yourself? Stop acting like you don't need help, 'cause you have got your failures too.